So I'm going to show you to quickly get a Ubuntu virtual machine. So the first thing you'd want to do is go to your operating system's ISO file. So Ubuntu, and we can go to Ubuntu here, download Ubuntu, Ubuntu desktop, download desktop, updated every 10 years. I would recommend going for the newest version of Ubuntu. Tends to work the best. It will automatically ask to install the download. It's downloaded to your downloads folder. Okay. Once you have your ISO file and your 7-zip downloaded, you'll want to open your file explorer. You want to go to your downloads folder. You'll have to extract using 7-zip. Here's 7-zip. We can go back to VirtualBox and we can do new. From here we can name our virtual machine to my virtual machine. And we can select our ISO image by selecting other. We go to our downloads folder and we can select either the Ubuntu ISO image, or if we have another ISO image for a different operating system, we can use those, but we'll use Ubuntu for this example. From here, usually the ISO file, these sections will automatically get filled. Deselect, proceed with unintended installation. User if you want. I recommend doing that in the virtual machine itself though, not here. It's just easier to keep it default. We want to install guest additions. We want to select some RAM and give it some CPU cores. And then we want to select how much space it will allocate on our computer. So by default it's usually 25. We're going to finish. We'll see our virtual machine here. Hit start. Hit enter. That's to boot through grub. You'll see us booting into Ubuntu. However, this is not the final steps. So with Ubuntu, you'll have to do the installer, just like Windows usually. Where you'll find this very similar to Windows. Because what this is doing is it's just booting the ISO file as it on the VirtualBox virtual machine is created. We'll select English. Select next, next, next. Skip. Install. If we want to have next, we'll want to hit erase disk. We'll want to select no encryption unless if you want to put a password in. And this is where we create a user account. Make a very secure password for your virtual machine. And then select anywhere. Will not matter. Okay, from here you would want to hit restart now or power off the machine. And you want to go into settings, storage. You want to click on the ISO file and you want to hit remove from virtual disk. Hit OK, and then start your virtual machine again. You can hit device, insert guest editions, and then open the guest editions, right click, open in terminal. And we can do sudo apt update. From here we can install bzip2. You do /autostrun. Let it install. We can do sudo reboot. And now we should see it become full screen. As we can see, it's a little bigger now. And here we can change it to 1920 by 1080, and if I go to display settings, I can change it to 1440 if I wanted to. I think I'd have to just give it more video memory. We had 3D acceleration, so we can give it some more video memory. Yep,